I usually remember the simple recipe for pilaf, with chicken in the microwave in the summer, when there is simply no strength to stand over the stove in the heat. In the microwave, the dish turns out faster, and there is no need to stand over the heat. Cut the chicken into pieces, or cook it whole. Rub with spices, and cook at full power under the lid for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, onions and carrots are washed, cleaned and finely chopped. When the time runs out, we put vegetables on top of the chicken, add oil and spices. Cook for another 10 minutes at full power. Then we shift all the contents into a saucepan. Put the well-washed rice on top, and pour water so that it rises 1-2 fingers above the rice. Cook for another 10 minutes. If necessary, add more salt and spices. We check if everything is fine. If the rice is not ready yet, add more water, spices, and cook for another 10 minutes. Then mix, and you can serve.